Hi everyone, we're going to determine whether triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF and explain our reasoning. So we have ABC, so that means line AB should be congruent to DF. So right now let's do problem 11. So the distance of AB equals 10. And that should equal the distance of DE. So let's see what the distance of DE equals. DE. So DE is right here, and that also equals 10. So that checks. And now we have to check BC with EF. So the distance of BC equals, so BC is right here. So that's some x plus 2. Because I don't know what that is. And does it equal the distance of EF? And so the distance of EF is right here, and that is also some x plus 2. So that checks. And now finally we have to do AC with DF. So we want to know the distance of AC. So AC is 8. Does that equal the distance of DF? Well, DF is right here, and that also equals 8. So that checks. So that means these triangles are congruent for our side, side, side postulate. Now let's try 12. So what we're looking at is seeing if all the sides are congruent. So we're going to do the same thing. We're looking at is distance of AB equal the distance of DE. So the distance of AB here is 7. Now does that equal the distance of DE? DE is right here, and that also equals 7. So that checks. So now let's try BC with EF. So we want the distance of BC line segment to equal the distance of EF. So BC equals right here, that's 2 here plus some x. So that's 2 plus some x. And the distance of EF is 1 plus some x. So that means 1 plus some x. Since these two don't equal, that means that this is not congruent by the side, side, side. Because remember, our x's have to be the same, whatever the x's are. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. So this is yes. Let's just put this as yes, and this is no. Bye-bye.